Affiliate marketing without social media. If you've been told that you need thousands of followers, a huge audience, or constant social media posting to succeed with affiliate marketing, think again. In today's video, we're covering affiliate marketing without social media and exactly how beginners are building affiliate income without posting on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Snapchat, or any other social media platform. In fact, some of the most successful affiliate marketers generate traffic and commissions from sources that have nothing to do with social media at all. So if you're tired of chasing likes, fighting algorithms, creating endless posts, and trying to become an influencer, this video is for you. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I regularly share affiliate marketing strategies, traffic generation methods, and online business tips designed for beginners. Also, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people who want to learn affiliate marketing without social media. Let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that affiliate marketing is not about social media. Affiliate marketing is about connecting buyers with products that solve problems. Social media is simply one traffic source. That's it. Many beginners mistakenly believe that social media is required because it's what they see everywhere online. But social media is only one of many traffic sources available. The real goal is getting targeted visitors to your affiliate offers, and there are multiple ways to accomplish that. Let's start with the first strategy, search engine optimization, also known as SEO. SEO remains one of the most powerful ways to generate affiliate commissions without social media. Every day, millions of people search for answers, solutions, products, reviews, and recommendations. When your content appears in search results, those visitors can discover your affiliate links. For example, imagine someone searches best email marketing software, best website builder, best AI writing tool, best project management software. These searchers are often highly motivated buyers. If your content helps them make a decision, affiliate commissions become possible. This is one reason affiliate marketing without social media can be extremely powerful. Traffic continues arriving long after the content is published. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to resources, tools, and training that can help you start affiliate marketing faster, click the link in the pinned comment below. I've put together some valuable resources that many beginners find helpful. Now let's discuss YouTube. Many people assume YouTube is social media. Technically, it has social features, but from a traffic perspective, YouTube functions more like a search engine. People go to YouTube looking for answers, looking for tutorials, looking for reviews, looking for solutions. This creates a tremendous opportunity. You can create educational content that ranks in YouTube search results and continues generating traffic for months or even years. For example, product reviews, comparison videos, how-to tutorials, beginner guides, case studies, problem-solving videos. All of these can generate targeted traffic. And unlike social media feeds, YouTube videos can continue being discovered long after publication. This makes YouTube one of my favorite strategies for affiliate marketing without social media. The next strategy is blogging. Blogging has been around for decades and continues to generate affiliate commissions for many marketers. The process is simple. Create useful content, target keywords people search for, help readers solve problems, recommend helpful products when appropriate. The beauty of blogging is that one article can generate traffic repeatedly. Instead of constantly creating new social media posts every day, your content works around the clock. Many affiliate marketers build entire businesses using blog content alone. Now let's talk about niche websites. A niche website focuses on a specific topic or industry. Instead of trying to cover everything, you become a valuable resource for a particular audience. For example, fitness, technology, home improvement, finance, AI tools, photography, travel, Personal development. When visitors consistently find useful information on your website, trust begins to develop. And trust is what drives affiliate sales. The next traffic source is email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the highest converting traffic sources available. Why? Because you own the audience. Social platforms control access to followers. Search engines control rankings. But when someone joins your email list, you have a direct connection. You can provide educational content, share helpful resources, recommend products, build relationships, and generate affiliate commissions. Many successful affiliate marketers say that building an email list was one of the smartest decisions they ever made. Now, if you're finding value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I regularly publish affiliate marketing tutorials, online business strategies, and traffic generation methods that can help beginners avoid common mistakes. Let's move on to another powerful strategy: online communities. This does not mean spamming groups. It means participating in communities where people actively seek information. Forums, industry websites, discussion communities, specialized platforms, question and answer websites. The goal is to become genuinely helpful. Answer questions, provide value, build credibility. People naturally become curious about what you do and what resources you recommend. This strategy requires patience, but it can be extremely effective. Now let's discuss another overlooked method: review websites. Review content is often highly profitable because the visitor already has buying intent. Think about it. When someone searches product review, software review, course review, service review, comparison review, they're already considering a purchase. Your job is to help them make an informed decision. Review content can work exceptionally well for affiliate marketing without social media because search traffic often brings highly motivated buyers. Let's talk about comparison content. Comparison content is one of the easiest ways to attract buyer traffic. Examples include product A versus product B, tool A versus tool B, service A versus service B. People searching these terms are often close to making a decision. This creates opportunities for affiliate commissions. Now let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They focus too much on traffic and not enough on value. Traffic is important, but if your content doesn't help people, traffic alone won't generate commissions. The most successful affiliate marketers focus on solving problems, helping people, providing useful information, building trust. Trust leads to clicks. Clicks lead to sales. Sales lead to commissions. Value always comes first. Let's discuss consistency. Many beginners publish a few articles or videos and then quit. They don't see results immediately and assume the strategy doesn't work. But affiliate marketing often requires momentum. Search engines need time. Content needs time. Audiences need time. Most successful marketers understand that consistency is a competitive advantage. If you continue creating useful content while others quit, you dramatically improve your chances of success. This is especially true when doing affiliate marketing without social media. Search-based traffic often compounds over time. Now let's discuss keyword research. Keyword research helps identify what people are searching for. When you understand what your audience wants, content creation becomes much easier. Examples of buyer intent keywords include best software, best tool, review, comparison, alternative, tutorial, guide, how-to. These keywords often attract visitors who are actively seeking solutions, and solution-seeking visitors are far more likely to convert than random traffic. Another powerful strategy is resource pages. Resource pages collect useful tools, services, software, and recommendations in one place. Visitors appreciate convenience. Instead of researching dozens of options, they can find recommendations in one location. Resource pages can become valuable long-term assets. Let's discuss patience. One reason many people fail with affiliate marketing is unrealistic expectations. They expect instant results, instant traffic, instant commissions, instant success. But affiliate marketing is a real business. Real businesses take time. The good news is that content assets can continue producing results long after they're created. That's one reason affiliate marketing without social media appeals to so many people. You're building assets rather than chasing temporary attention. Now, before we finish, if you'd like access to recommended tools, training resources, and affiliate marketing strategies that can help accelerate your progress, click the link in the pinned comment below. Many beginners have found these resources extremely helpful. And don't forget to subscribe because I share affiliate marketing tips, online business tutorials, traffic strategies, and money-making methods on a regular basis. Let's quickly recap everything we covered. Affiliate marketing does not require social media. You can generate traffic through SEO. You can use YouTube search. You can create blogs. You can build niche websites. You can grow an email list. You can create review content. You can create comparison content. You can participate in online communities. You can build resource pages. Most importantly, you can focus on helping people solve problems. That's the real secret. Traffic sources may change, algorithms may change, platforms may change, but helping people solve problems will always create opportunities. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the pinned comment below for additional resources and training. Thank you for watching. This has been Affiliate Marketing Without Social Media. I'll see you in the next video.